Welcome to 35th session of Management Accounting, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss meaning and definition of cash flow statement. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed fund flow statement. Now let us discuss cash flow analysis, meaning and definition of cash flow statement. Learning objectives of this chapter. The aim of this chapter is to make students to understand the detailed knowledge of Accounting Standards 3 and its applications in cash flow statement. Session outcome. After this session, the students can be able to prepare and analyze cash flow statement and calculate cash flow from operating, investing and financing activities. Meaning of cash flow statement. Cash flow statement can be defined as a statement of changes in the financial position of firm on cash basis is called cash flow statement. A cash flow statement concentrates to transactions that have direct impact on cash. It deals with cash inflows and outflow of cash in a particular period. Thus, it portrays the changes in the cash position between two dates. Cash flow statement can be prepared for a year, half year, quarter, or for any other duration. Cash flow means cash inflows and cash outflows, cash receipts and cash payments during the period. In other words, incoming and outgoing of cash is termed as cash flows. Movement of cash are of vital importance to the management. The short-term liquidity and solvency position of a firm are dependent on its cash flows. In the lesson, the term cash includes bank balances also. Thank you. Have a nice day.